Welcome to another stunning transformation by SD Premier Outdoor, where creativity meets craftsmanship to bring your dream backyard to life. Step into this gorgeous San Diego home makeover, where we turned a typical outdated side and backyard into a breathtaking modern outdoor oasis, tailored perfectly for a small family, yet ready to host unforgettable gatherings all year long. At the heart of this transformation lies a custom-built barbecue island, complete with a state-of-the-art stainless steel grill and a gorgeous fire bar table, the perfect blend of functionality and luxury. It's a warm, glowing centerpiece designed to spark conversations, laughter, and lifelong memories. Whether it's a casual cookout or a festive evening party, this is where everyone wants to be. Above it all stands a stylishly engineered pergola offering shade by day and ambiance by night. And to complete the design, we added a tastefully crafted retaining wall that not only supports the landscape, but beautifully complements the pavers and architecture of the space. From cozy mornings with coffee to lively weekend get-togethers, this backyard is now a versatile, welcoming retreat. We installed sleek, elegant pavers that gracefully wrap around the entire home, blending beauty with durability. Before a single paver was laid, our clients experienced the full vision through a 3D virtual walkthrough, offering an immersive preview of their future outdoor sanctuary. No guesswork, no stress, just pure inspiration, brought to life in vivid detail before construction even began. Ready to host joy, relaxation, and connection for many years to come. Are you ready to reimagine your own outdoor space? Let SD Premier Outdoor turn your vision into reality with precision, passion, and a whole lot of style. Contact us today and let's start building your dream backyard.